In order to solve one of the biggest challenges of our time, we need to combine the competences of data scientists and energy scientists.
Data science and AI provide important solutions for our global challenges like the energy transition or health. We're very proud in the ETH domain that the Swiss Data Science Center will become a national infrastructure.
The Swiss Data Science Center is proud of its collaborations with the Swiss public sector, academia, and private sector in the areas of energy and sustainability.